Welcome back, ladies and gents. So today, as you've seen in the title, is going to be part one of a little bit more of a deep dive into the OBS Move transition plugin. And today we're going to be looking at the transition part of it. Obviously, it can do so much more, but this is what we're going to look at today. So first off, as we've shown previously in many other videos, you can go and download it, install it. I've got a video. I've even got a short on how to install plugins as well. So we're going to just show a few examples on my second OBS here. So in the previous video, we gave you a quick overview of how to set a transition up with the Move transition plugin. When I get my words right. Anyway, so at the moment, I've just set up a quick scene. So as an example, whenever I switch scenes, it's got the two same sources on it. There are a few you don't need there, which I'll just don't use it. Use the issue. So here, and you can create this by doing the move, doing it with move, and keeping it all in one place. But if you're switching scenes, it's quite easy and quick to do, and you can do that with obviously a Stream Deck. Then you can do it. So as you can see here, we're just switching scenes, and you can see in the top right, they are moving the items around. But what if we want to do, say, our example, right, we're in there, we're going to move that there, we'll put it there. So again, so you can see it moves to there. This is all done inside these settings just behind where my camera is. So let me just move that over here. So it's just done in the settings here. We've got the properties, and we zoom up and over here. Oh, let's try and get there. We go. So there are so many different settings in here. So you can do the switch point, different percentages. You can do ease in, ease out, ease in and out, ease out. There's no easing at all. Different. So this is what you need to really get your feel of what you want. You can experiment with these and change them. So the one I actually quite like to bounce, but again you can do it as a cut and a fade, the transition point, and max only scales. Again, I leave that as is. Obviously there's a curve, again leave it as it is. And then you can do this on the appearing item, so ease in, ease out. Cubic, again you can do. So let's try something slightly different. So top right, this one, and transition will do fade, and again, so just the disappearing items we will do the similar. We'll do it. We're going to really mess this up, but this is why we're going to play around with. Leave it as a fade, and then we can preview it. There you go. Something a little bit different. So when we swap these scenes now, oh, there you go. Make it a little bit different, and I think my mouse has just, there we go. I thought my mouse had just died on me. Again, when we switch scenes, and it's all done this way. What we can do, so if you have got a move with the move transition, sorry, I've zoomed that in on the point. Go. Obviously, that is probably not a very nice looking transition, but you can adjust these to however you want them. What we can do is we can add a new one in as well. So if we're going to add a new one, call this move 2, just leave it as 2, and that can be the selected one. And again, you can change them to however you suit. That's the standard one you can do. Okay. Again, I've not zoomed in. There we go. I forget I'm zoomed in sometimes. We do. I forget we're zoomed in. But yeah, they're quite customizable in what you can do. If you've got one that you want for moving one scene to another, I've got a video on the tools. Where are we? There. I will remember it. On the transition table, so you can use that to select what transition you want from which. Anyway, so hopefully this helps. These are going to be hopefully quite shortish videos. Because we're going to do a bit more of a look into each section of the Move Transition plugin, and this is just part one. So there will be so much more. This because it's a feature packed. It's a feature packed plugin. So hopefully this one does help, and we'll catch you all in the next. Out, ladies and gents. Bye.